If you are asking.
I would wait forever. Exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you.
Jisoo is life.
My heart
Init talaga.
is
So, dala kayo
angry. With every step we take, the auto to the lake,
Go.
strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the
Sige.
batteries.
Representative from Pulilang Bulacan,
Yes.
the Osaka Expo 2025. So guys, this happens only in 5
5 years. Once every 5 years.
Ang Tsukuba Expo to noong 1985.
Oh.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
You gave me a chance. I would take it.
Pretty boy.
In the time that I'm making. Knowing the word of your heart. You can't shake me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. 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 When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be.
Picture tayo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, good morning guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa airport. And we're bound to somewhere beautiful. Hi guys. Boarding na kami. Ano sa...
네, 주의하여 주십시오.
So we're now here at Kansai Airport. Finally. And since ano ngayon, July, medyo mainit. Around 33, ano? Pero feels like 37. Pero maaamoy mo sa train. First time kong magpunta ng Japan ng summer. Immigration muna. Ay, ano muna
Labas na
tayo?
tayo ng immigration.
Declaration.
Lalabas na.
Okay. Bili muna tayo ng IC card. Actually, may IC card ako, pero ano naman yun, good for 3 years yata, 2 years, hindi ako sure. Pero may bibili ako kasi minsan mga bago yung cute yung mga IC cards nila. Souvenir, gano'n. So, bili muna tayo. IC card can be used for trains, transportation, payment. Tapos, pwede kang reload sa mga convenience store. Pwede din naman direct bibili ka ng ticket. Pero parang feel mo na local ka. Ayan, bibili ka ng IC card. So, ano ginagawa mo? Ha? Ganito lang yung nabili mo kasi dito sa machine.
Just so familiar, baby, what do you
work for it. I know.
Why you always come running on me? Fuck my life. Won't you let an innocent woman be?
Mainit. Kakalabas ko pa lang ng ano.
Have your brain just take
Stage. Kaya naman dun sa hotel na malapit siya sa
Why you always come running, taking all my loving from me? Why so sexy, you're so dumb and how
So, pasok.
you're so
Go. Anong floor? 3. Here's our room for the next few days. Yan. Yan, may hangers. Usually naman, agad CR. Ganda. 4. Yan, may tub. Mainit, so definitely magagamit to. And Romeo. Ayaw. Yan. Airport outfit kanina. So, magpapalit kasi mainit. Kaya lang kami na ganito because malamig sa airport tsaka sa plane. Ayan. So, we have to change. Change muna. Kasi mainit talaga sa labas. Makikita nyo, yung iba may dalang Jisoo. Marie. So, we just changed and mag-lounge muna kami. Merienda muna bago later mag-dinner. So, dito may free lounge dito sa Namba. Ayan na si Dad. It's making pancakes. Cute. We are looking for our dinner tonight. Kaya, so ano gusto mo kainin? Isip ka o busog ka? Mamaya na lang. Parang masarap revolving sushi ako. Ano ka nga dessert? Oo, isa. Share. So, ano masasabi mo? Girl,
Walang
kamatayang tanghulo.
Ayan, walang katapusan ng
Malamig ba? So, masarap ba ang strawberry summer matamis? Asim?
medyo maasim. Pero masarap. Sugar.
Hindi pa ito matamis dali. Maasim. Si Mr. Clean Up Drive. Very good. Pinoy. Yes.
Sa UP, no? Naglakad kami. Sa 7-Eleven. Padumi.
Buti na lang hindi natin siya katulad. Kamo. Kamuko. Tingin muna kami ng mga outfit. Kasi wala kaming dalang damit. Ties.
Ganyan lang.
Shirt, socks. This one. Ito yung gusto mo. Hinahanap mo. Di din? Ito. Ayan. Kuha ka. Get. Ayun yung may ano sa likod. Ayan. Oo, hindi masakit. Yeah. Okay. Go. Saan pa yung mga t-shirts? Da. Oo, kamukha. Pero ano yan?
Bata yun.
Ay, jacket. Girls na dito. Doon tayo sa gawitan. Da. Saan? Ah, okay. We're out for dinner tonight and naghihintay na kami nila Ale. Ganda dito. Izakaya. Ano? Hindi tayo magkatabi?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Or hi vlog, welcome to my guys. So welcome to Cora. We're here, we're gonna eat here. Tapos as you can see, revolving sushi siya. Tapos pag naka 5 plates ka, you can put it here, parang disposal. There, you can put it there. Tapos you get to play a game. Tapos you'd win some. Yan, parang pa-free nila. Yes. Yes. Parang mananalo ka ng any. Kano siya? Ching ching. Yan. So, we'll eat na. Let's order some. So, ito yung table. You'll mag-order ka dito.
Good morning guys, it's our day 2 for today and we're going to Kobe for the birthday lunch and this is my outfit for today. Parang nag-scarf lang ako, medyo mainit, so that's it. Okay, outfit check. First, the birthday boy, Zara. Okay, and then the next one, also Zara, the sun, Zara on cloud, this girl, Shein,
Shopee Live.
Shopee Live.
What's that? Water. What's that?
Daddy, yan, lagi niya pinili. Yan, lagi niya pinili. Wala yung Yakult, yung favorite ko naman, Yakult. We're on our way to Kobe. It's our second day. We're trying to have a taste of the coffee bean today. So, check natin kung anong what's like in Kobe and anong meron doon. So, see you later. Double charge. na I'm using umbrella. Look. Wait. Okay. Namaste.
Tahimik doon na happy birthday.
Happy vacation. Happy vacation.
Song name?
Hi, class. Are you ready? Hi, 3, 2, 1, smile. Hey. Hi. 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Papá vivo y a todos.
A day in the life. Ganun ba yun? Rosco. A day in the life of Mama Puan Summer Edition. So right now, I'm currently in Kobe, Japan. And I just ate some really, really good Kobe. Let's go. I picture daw. Sorry. Mali pala. Hala yung buhok ko. Kita mo siya. A day in the life of an Atenean student. No classes edition. Dito kami sa Nano Biki Herb Garden. Dito pa rin sa Kobe. Sasakay kami ng ropeway para makapunta doon. Hi guys! Oh! You go there! Tignan mo yung trees nila, ang dami, no? Fresh. Meron din naman ito. Ayan ito. It's a little garden. All roses. That look. Yung mga pots niya. Wait.
Papuntang Harborland.
Sure.
Ang sarap. Sparkling.
Lobat ka na. Oh, patay. Kitang-kita niyo po yung nangyari, di ba? Oh.
Bigay mo na. Ayun na naman ako eh. Eksena. It's a pressure.
Dito kami ngayon sa Kobe Harborland. Ayan. Ayan yung Kobe Tower. That's the Oriental Hotel. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. So, pagpunta doon, kailangan sasakay ka ng ferry. Ang ganda, oh. So, ayan, sa likod ko, dinaanan namin yung Kobe Tower. Ayan. Hi guys! O, tingin kayo dito. Ta! Oo. Ayan. Ayan, we spotted a stingray. Pag ganon, malinis yung water, no? Ayun! May tumatalon!
Nasaan?
Ayun, no?
Flying fish.
Flying fish! So, you get me this one. Yan. So, tapos si Bex daw ay matcha drink. Ten kamay mo. Sa'yo o sa akin? Sa akin muna. Ooh.
Game lang.
Sarap. Ooh. Diba? Sarap.
Ano ito? Sa atin ba ito?
Yes. Ayan. Feels like... Aha, aha. Like, careful. Sarap. Cheesy. Nice. Ha? Friendster. Yan yung... Naalala nyo nun yung Friendster. Di ba may background music yan? So... Fly back to your hometown.
Cheers.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Oh. So day 3 today and pupuntahan namin yung isang aquarium dito, the largest aquarium. Hindi ko alam kung the world or Japan. So it's called Kaiyukan Osaka Aquarium. Hindi ako bumili sa Klook kasi undecided sila kung pupunta sila dito. But because may work si architect Yeye sa HHC, andun sila sa farm. Medyo malayo dito. So kaming tatlo, wala kaming gagawin. So we decided to go here at Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. So bibili muna tayo ng ticket.
I like to stay on. Look at his eyes.
Mukha naman siya mabait.
Di ba na siya mabait naman talaga?
Hi!
Ano pag diving sila?
Hi, 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 hi. Oh. Oh, cute. Nagising siya. Hey, Amelia. Happy kid, oh. Birthday boy. Happy. Hi, 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 hi. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. One soft serve. And ano yan? Soft pretzel. Okay.
てスパイシープレッツェルです。すいません、お釣り先取ってもらっていいですか？
Ayun.
Baligtad ba?
No.
Ang Ginkgo tree.
You said your phone was broken, just forgot to charge it. I that you're wearing, but I hope it's ironic. You just say you finished, didn't know we started. It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid,
Ayan o.
or is it slow?
Dun sa Namba, wala masyadong tao dito. Ayan.
But there's a cuter word for it. I know. Why you always come running on me? Won't you let an innocent woman be? Never heard of self-care. Have your brain just ain't there. Man, child, why you always come running, taking all my loving from me? Why so sexy, you're so dirty. I say yes, you're so lucky. If I'm not there, it won't get done. I choose to blame your mom. Man, child, why you always come
And we're back. Okay. Ano na siyang pumasok? Gugutom na siguro siya. Ooh. Sad. Inutusan ka ni ate. Oh, Yan. Nag-meeting sila dun sa kabilang table. Yung mga client nila architect, at saka ni Marie. So, dito kami. Dito lang po sa may bridge. Glico sign. Soy sauce? Parang matagal pa yan mag-boil.
That's pancake.
Lagay mo sa iayos.
Sige, ano ikaw?
Ayos mo dito.
Ayun o. Ano ka mo? 1, 2, 3.
Oo.
Ako ba nakago ka na ba?
Teka, okay na yan. Oh, stop na. Stop na. Yan.
Just a plate.
Naka-plate. Real. Ano ba yan?
See right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you. Take care now, slow down, be cool, I miss you. Come here now, it's yours now. Keep it, I'll hold up.
Yeah,
Turn
tingnan mo yung ano nila. Tingnan mo yung ginkgo nila,
If I
oh.
leave you, I'm strung down. If I get you, I'm slowly breaking down. And
Jisoo is life.
it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here.
Init talaga.
It's
So,
hard to leave
dala
you
kayo
when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink it. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here.
sinabi mo kasing Brussels. Okay, when you say Brussels, sila yung may one of pinakamasarap na chocolate. So they have it here in Omeda. Everything is in here? Okay, thanks. Yeah, we bought the chocolate. Wala sila no. Yeah, Alisa, get it. Take a picture ko lang ha. Ay, go. Oh, ikaw din. Nasa yun sa'yo. Oh, so after namin mag-shopping sa Lululemon, dinner na kami ulit sa Namba. Balik na kami doon.
It's fine, it's cool. You can say that we are nothing, but you know the truth. And guess I'm the fool. With your arms out like an angel to the gosh, unreal. I don't wanna call it love, but you don't wanna call it love. You only wanna be the one that I call baby. 'Cause I'm the boys and boys. I'm gonna shine to stop the feeling. Come say you chose the way you are. Make a new excuse, no stupid reason. Go away, well, go away. Yeah, just take a while just to stop the feeling. Go away, well, go
Wagi-wagi.
yeah, just take a while just to stop the feeling.
Check natin tong si Carl. Mahilig tong magano eh. Claw machine. Marami kang coins, di ba? Binigay ko sa'yo. Oh, I like. Gusto ko din yan. Ay, ano ba? Tinawag mo pa ako? Wala naman. Ayan, yan. Yung ano, power. Gusto ko yan. Kunin mo. Pag... Ay! Bakit? Ano nangyari? Ito naman, puro pagkain. Lisa, ano bibili mo? Ah, yung bread. Ano ba? Ano yung coolers? Ah, nata. Good morning, guys. It's our day 4 here in Osaka. And today, we are here at Dotonbori. Dito kami ngayon sa Dotonbori. So, tapos na kami sa Namba. Hi, hi. Ah. Come on. Outfit check. Ah. Ano ka niya? Alisa, where's Perry? And okay. If bagay. Oh, nice. Good morning, guys. This is our 5th day here in Japan. Second to the last day. Punta kami ngayon ng Expo, Osaka Expo. The Expo is done only every 5 years. So, titingnan natin ang entry ngayon ng mga countries pagpunta natin doon. So, see you later. Feeling ko maraming tao sa Expo kasi parang lahat ng to papunta doon, no? Ang zombie, dali! Dito kami sa sa East Gate. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, meron dito na parang aircon. Lamig. Kasi sobrang init. Kaya, bring your umbrella. Ayan. And, syempre, your eye protection, your shades, sunglasses, bottle of water. Meron naman siguro sa loob. Hindi na kami nagdala. Para rin naman kasi itong theme park. O, ayan. Lahat nakapayong guys. Sobrang init. So, guys, nakita nyo ko karaming tao. So, I suggest, bumili na kayo ng ticket bago kayo pumunta dito via Klook, gaya ng ginawa namin. Tapos, mag-register kayo to get the fast pass sa entrance. Pero ngayon, nag-register kami and then we get another QR code. Doon kami dadaan sa kabilang gate. Medyo kukunti ang tao doon. Ang expo is until October. So they started early this year. This is only once every 5 years. Kaya pinuntahan namin. And syempre pupuntahan natin yung entry ng Philippines. So yan guys. After nyo ma-download yung QR code, this is gonna be your pass. Okay, ready na ang team Pinas, let's go. Hi. Ganda naman ng ikaw, patingin nung sa'yo, umbrella mo. Ayun, ganda ang design sa likod, ay sa loob. Dapat pala kumain muna tayo, no? Herb. Dapat kumain muna. First stop, cooling station. Hindi kang ganyan, Herb. Again. Maraming salamat po.
Ako makartin dito araw-araw.
Araw-araw?
Oo.
Oo.
Hindi isa araw-araw.
Sama-sama.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, cute. Cute ka dyan.
Panas mali.
Guwapo.
Kalbo. No, pogi.
Hindi, ngayon lang naman. Pogi? Sino pogi?
Ako hindi pogi.
Ah. Ganda ng umbrella, oh. Lucky. Team Pulilan, your entry.
Representative from Pulilan, Bulacan.
Yes.
The Osaka Expo 2025. So guys, this happens only in 5 years.
Once every 5 years.
So lucky na na-champion namin to.
Parang Tsukuba Expo to noong 1985.
Okay. Ay, buti na lang may kasama tayong Google.
Yeah, si Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. Today,
For today's video, ang merch ko ay ano ba to?
sino ba tawag dyan? Sino siya?
Mukha siyang mochi. This video, ayan na po siya.
Outfit check. So, kailangan
Okay.
may merch.
Okay, teka lang, wait. I'm gonna go.
Around.
Ito yung around. Ayun!
Oo.
Si Alien.
Kahapon ko pa tinitingnan ano yung mga bilog-bilog. Yung pala yun. Okay. First entrance is Japan. Isang malaking Jenga. Ganda, oh. Ayan, Japan. So, di kami nakapasok sa Japan. Sad. Bad news. Kasi meron pala yung reservation. Pero ang reservation is mga ano pa, months ago, April, March, ganyan reservation para makapasok ka. So, try namin ng ibang country. Let's go to Switzerland.
Life is gonna be great.
Tayo pwede sa Japan. Let's fly to Switzerland. Para pala siyang ano, kumbaga pala si Japan, siya yung main attraction na ang haba ng pila. Qatar. Architect. So, first entry. Ano ang masasabi mo? Oh.
It explains yung iconic yung ano kasi niya, yung art. Yung yun. So, makikita mo lang yun usually sa mga, yun nga, Middle East countries.
So, ang tinitingnan natin
Mga
dito
Islamic.
is yung structure sa labas. Yung nasa loob is just history ng bansa. Ganon.
Somehow, yes.
Somehow.
Saka yung yung mga landmarks, ganun kung ano-ano yung
So, para talaga tayong nasa tea party kasi meron ding food. Price. Yun yung keychain. Yung pala ang logo ng expo. Ang dami, di ba? Yung nakita natin doon sa Namba ng mga keychains. Sabi ko, ano ba yon? So, ayan si Daddy. Oh. Naka-merch. Picturean ko na. So, okay. This is the entry of France. As you can see, madami na namang pila. So, we cannot go in. Pero, okay lang naman dahil ang titingnan mo yung construction o yung outside design. And that's what we came for here. Picture tayo. Ito yung simbahan sa may Ilocos region. UNESCO meaning protected yon. Cagayan, Nueva Vizcaya. So proud. Traveler's Paradise is Central Visayas. Dito yung Cebu. Ayan. Cebu Lechon. May pamaypay dito. Look. Baka free. This is nice. This is made from my country. Central Luzon. Nueva Ecija, Bataan, Bulacan. There. Pampanga is not a... Where are you from? Pampanga po. Pampanga. Kabayan. Proud. Bulacan lang. Sa kayo sa Pampanga?
Candaba po.
Candaba. Pulilan kami. Sa, bakasyonista?
Bakasyon lang po.
Nice to meet you. Pangulo. Available.
Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there.
Yeah.
Now I'm shaking off the weight. I don't need it all clear.
Tara, kain na tayo, dear.
And it feels
Azerbaijan.
here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. There's no ceiling, I broke down the walls. I'm on fire, I can't be rattled. I'm on top, I've won my battles. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. In myself, I've got faith.
Ano pala naka-video? Ewan ko sa'yo. Abay, tao mo, Becky? Hindi tayo prepared. Tara, kain na tayo, dear. Pupunta mo, Philippines. Kukunti lang tayo, kaya konti lang pila doon. This is Spain. Dito na tayo sa Australia. Welcome to Thailand. Palipas kami ng sobrang init. After we had lunch and merienda na siguro yun sa atin. Paglabas namin ganito na, madilim na siya.
Here
So, pupunta kami sa Turkey eh.
Life's taking off.
Yan, hindi siya nakapunta ng Yokohama. Dahil sobrang, lamig. Or basta kinulang kami nun sa oras. Dahil gusto niya makita si Gundam. Ngayon, andito sa Lao. Ayan. O kaya nga, picture kita. Huwag ka lalapit, dito ka lang. Dito,
Can't you see I just breaks the ceiling? I broke down the walls. Life is gonna be great.
Pop. Wood.
Can't you see I just break? Life is gonna be great. Life is gonna
Hirap
be
gawin yan.
Can't you see I just break?
Ay, si Astro Boy.
Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I'm shaking off the weight. I don't need a breathing.
So, mamaya pipili lang ako ng for me, na gusto ko. Nagustuhan ko.
Life's taking off. There's no
So, pag nauuha kayo, may mga
down the walls.
vendo machine naman dito. Kahit saan actually. Ayan na lang po. Lemon.
I'm on top of one my battles. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. In myself I've got faith. Dreams are meant to be chased.
Kasi nagbablog ako. Maangat. Maganda naman, di ba? Charis.
Now I'm revving up for these days to come
Galing, no?
so excitedly. No limits on me.
Tingnan yung mga toilet dito. Iba-iba ng design. Look. This is Romania. Romania. Baka dumikidlat. So, let's use the wood shelter yun. Kaya sila meron mga shelter. Source of creation. Na nag-taste tayo sa Asian ay meron naman palang burgers. No, I mean burgers. Yeah, coolers oh. Fruit soda, movie. Wag, kakainin ka ng Yeah, kakainin ka ng alien. No. Oh no! Ako. Nasa dulo na yun eh. Ito. O, dali ako. Dapat doon ka dapat. Lalapit ako. Mahal, sabi mo, mahal. Game.